which is very simple. Do you know this guy? If so, please raise your hand. No. This guy is called Alexander. Not Lang? Alexander, but not Lang. Alexander, in my opinion, is one of the best thinkers when it comes to strategy and innovation. In 2012, he created the framework which is used today by millions of people around the world in NGOs, universities, corporates, and also startups. It is called VPC. The main answer and idea behind it was very simple. It was only to be able to answer one simple question. Are we offering to people what they are looking for or what we think they need? Very fascinating, really, really interesting. And I think for you and I today, fellow Toastmaster, it is important for us to take the time and think deeply about it. I said before, the world is changing, and innovation for me is not something to have. It is a must for every single organization who want to stay in the market, or at least in the countries in which they operate. Extremely important. So our question today is to be able to answer this very simple thing. Are we offering to our members in our clubs the experience that they are looking for, or the experience that we believe that they are looking for? And this is what we are going today in this workshop answer together. Let us move forward.